Hey guys, Greg with Planet Green Zen, and I've been getting a lot of questions regarding GetReponse. That really great software that I did a small tutorial on. So what I want to do is just make a video on how to use email marketing feature in GetReponse. So I'm going to flip to my computer and show you guys how to do that. All right, so let's get started.
Planet Green Zen, inspiring the everyday person to break free from the mundane and take action.
Alrighty guys, now we are at my computer, and again I just wanted to focus on the email marketing aspect of GetReponse. Now the last video I made was just more of a general overview of GetReponse in its entirety, so if you guys haven't seen that, go ahead and check out that video. So what I'm going to do now is just go to the email marketing portion of GetReponse, and this only what this video is focused on. So this part is very cool, guys, because again, you can actually have multiple different, they call them newsletters, depending on, like I used to use Aweber, it was called broadcast, but newsletters are in GetReponse. So again, you have newsletters, you have your statistics here. So you can see I have 3 different newsletters actually in this specific view. I have a lot more than that, but that's just what this one is. And then when you go to the statistics tab, it actually loads up different information, so you actually can use that to become a better marketer. So you can see just, okay, who opened it, who clicked it, different goals. You may have social, unsubscribe, bounce, complaints. So you can actually see all of that information here. So you can see, and it goes by specific campaigns. As you can see, I have all these different lists here. You see I have a lot of lists. So that's just one. I'll just leave that one selected since it's already selected. But and my computer's going a little bit slow today, guys. I have an older computer, so it's probably always going to go slow until I buy a new one. But right now, I'm not going to. But anyway, you can also compare newsletters to different ones. As you can see here, you can click on any one of those and then just compare it with the one in green. That's a green dot. Compare with the one with the red dot, which is awesome. You can see you have, like, 20.24% click rate. You can see how many people got sent the message here. You can see the unsubscribe rate, bounce rate, complaint rate, open rate. Again, it just is just a statistic portion of the email marketing list. So let's kind of go back here. And again, I do apologize just for my computer. It's not the internet this time, I don't believe. It's just a computer because I have a really old computer. But again, guys, so you can also, another feature I really love. So let's say you have a list and you did, let's say, I don't know, 20, 30 different email sequence with that specific list. And for every reason, let's say, okay, you want to copy over all of it or some of it, or you want to use that same list for a different campaign or a different list. And it's like, wow, I don't want to have to retype all of this or copy and paste manually each one. This preload messages right here is phenomenal, guys. So go ahead and show you that. So what you can do is you have your source list and your destination list. The source is where you're starting. Like, this is the list that you want to display. And then the destination is just like you get in a car and go to a destination. Think about it as far as getting in a car and going over here. You're going to take whatever is here and put it over here. So you can select any list you have here and then select the message type, whether it's a newsletter or autoresponder. Now, if you guys don't know what an autoresponder is, I'll cover that on another video, but I did cover that in the general video, so go ahead and watch that one, but I'll make another one a little more in depth. But right now I do have that selected, or actually I'll just select it letter, and then you guys can see that. So for this specific list, these are all the letters that I have for it. And again, there's a lot. I just went all the way down, so right, there's a lot of them. So let's say if I want to use all of these, some of these, whatever, I could just check all of them. Or go individual. Okay, I want this one, I want this one, I want that one, I want that one. Then whichever ones you have checked, guys, is the ones that you will copy over. So you literally just check, go to here to copy, or copy all if you want all of them, or replace all. If you say, okay, none of these are working, I want to replace them all with it. These have a better conversion rate. You could replace all, copy, and they all will end up over here under whichever list over here. So let's say I wanted this specific list here, the Creating Success webinar one. All these emails over here will get copied over here. And then you just will go all the way down to wherever it ends and click save. Once you save it, then these will all be active. And then you see how you can set the days here. Okay, I want this to go out on day 5, this to go out on day 6, this to go out on day 21, this to go out on day 29. If you can do one a day or one every couple of days or so, but that's the preload function, which is pretty cool in the email marketing of GetReponse. So again, there's so much you can do here. Again, I'm just going to try and break it down simply. And when you want to create a newsletter, guys, you just click on Create Newsletter. That's simple. And you could use a drag and drop email, HTML. Typically, what I use is HTML because it's I guess it's considered less spammable first, just based on my research. And then you can, okay, when you're creating a newsletter, okay, hey, is it linked to this list or this list? Again, select whichever list you want that you have created before. You can name it here, put the subject, and then you go next. And it's pretty self-explanatory, guys. So once you go to the next page, it'll just have a blank page where you can put your text in there. You just type up your message, and then you actually can highlight certain parts that you want to use as a hyperlink, and then just insert your link there, and then save it, and you're done. And you can either set like to go out immediately, to set it for a later date, and that's pretty much how you do it, guys. The newsletter function. So the email marketing portion. So I just wanted to show you that. I'm just going back here just so to go back to the main email marketing page. But it's that simple, guys. This is a very easy to use, user-friendly software. I mean, I love it. I've been using it for a couple months now, and it's getting me some good results here. So again, that's pretty much the email marketing function of GetReponse. As you can see, there's so many options here. So yeah. But again, if you guys have any questions, go ahead and don't hesitate to reach out, comment below in the video, and I will talk to you guys soon. Greg with Planet Green Zen. You guys have a great day.